In this video, I'm going to take you through how to find a DUI lawyer using Google reviews. Before we start, you should take our DUI arrest test where you can assess the nature of your arrest to determine if you may get your charges withdrawn. I've included a link to the test in the description of this video. Let's get started. Now, there are three key things that you need to know on how to use Google reviews when looking for a DUI lawyer. First, make Google reviews a key part of your DUI lawyer search. Google reviews are important for obvious reasons. Not only are they important for you to get a sense of the DUI lawyer that you may be hiring, but they are also very important for DUI lawyers. Legal services, especially DUI cases, are competitive. Every lawyer knows that. And every lawyer knows that Google reviews play an important part in how a client decides on who to retain. You should retain a lawyer that has a lot of Google reviews. Generally, lots of Google reviews show that the lawyer is aware of the competitive nature of legal services and shows that they're working hard to get your business. These lawyers generally will also work hard to get the best result for you, and great results for your case will filter back into future Google reviews, and these Google reviews will drive more business for that DUI lawyer. So good reviews are good for everybody. 2, look for DUI lawyers with at least 30 to 40 reviews. Generally, the more reviews a DUI lawyer has, the better it is because you're looking for patterns. And you can only see patterns when you have a larger number of reviews. Generally, that number threshold to establish a pattern is about 30 to 40 reviews. When you hit that 30 to 40 number threshold, it's likely you can see a pattern about how that lawyer has performed on other DUI cases. 3, it's okay if the lawyer does not have a perfect 5-star review record. You may see a DUI lawyer with lots of reviews, but they don't have a perfect 5-star record. Maybe they have 4.9, 4.8, and for that as an average rating. And in those situations, do not ignore that DUI lawyer. That DUI lawyer may be great, and you don't want to discount that lawyer for the wrong reasons. What you should do is read those lower star reviews. To do this, just sort the reviews by lowest and read them. In some cases, the reviews may be a 1-star rating with no comments. If that's the case, generally I'd ignore them because those reviews, they may be fake. Or if there is a low rating with a detailed comment, just take notes about that poor review and ask the lawyer when you interview them. While that lawyer will not be able to disclose confidential information about the client that posted the bad review, they may be able to give you some context as to what happened, and that explanation may give you the comfort that you need to make your decision on who to retain. As a next step, we have a great video you should watch. It's How Much Does a DUI Lawyer Cost in Ontario? You can find the video on your screen. Finally, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and have a confidential and free consultation with me.